TP-HD Series High-Speed Drilling, Milling and Tapping Machine. This machine is the automatic special equipment used for drilling, tapping, milling steel plate, flanges tube sheets, mainly in the field of steel structure, boiler, heat exchanger, and so on. This machine also can drill through hole, blind hole, ladder hole. Machine model could customized as customer requirements of work table and processing capacity. Machine adopts Siemens CNC, Siemens PLC system, also equipped with computer for drawing and workpiece program processing, easy to operate.